Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the owner of a Google Doc sheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the share button up at the top. If they're already a contributor, you can click the drop down and select owner, in which case then they would have to be sent an email, which would be automated, and then they would have to accept that role, at which point you would then be dropped from the owner role. And that's pretty much it. And if you wanted to do general access, you may have to click the drop down and select anyone with a link. But if you want to actually change the owner, I believe they do have to have a Gmail account here. And then you would just add the people up at the top if they were a new contributor. And then you would share it to them as an owner, like I said, with the drop down. And then they would have to accept the invitation. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.